Hi guys, it's Joya and welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can probably tell, I just got my nose done. Just a little warning before I remove my hand, it's a little bloody. So I'm just putting a little warning in here before I remove it so I can keep talking. So yeah. Most of it is like pretty dry, but I don't know, I felt like I should probably put a warning or something. I'm actually in Lebanon right now visiting my family for about a month, and I decided to do my nose while I'm here. I definitely should have started filming this rhinoplasty vlog probably before I got my nose done so I could show you guys it before, but I'll try to like put some pictures over here or right here or something of what my nose looks like before. It wasn't horrible, but you know, it could have been better. So it's day 2. I got my nose done yesterday. I do have some bruising and swelling, like my eyes are swollen. I think the side of my face is a little swollen too. My lower lip is like really swollen, and this lip was like more flipped up and now it's like more flipped in. I don't really know, because I had a lip flip and I got a syringe of filler put in. Need to take a deep breath just to talk. It looks like a lot smaller than it did before. So for day 2, I feel like it's looking not bad, pretty good. It's not like the swelling isn't like crazy, at least that's what everyone has been telling me, so I think it's okay. There's not really any pain. It's a little bit not painful but a little sensitive, like right here. I think this nostril is starting to open up a little bit. This one isn't. This one was the closed one anyway. So like all night last night it was really hard to go to sleep and I had to sleep with my mouth open, so I woke up today with a sore throat. So yeah, I got the procedure done yesterday morning. Right when I woke up after the surgery, they put on like an oxygen mask on me, and I don't know, I just woke up, I guess, just confused, and I could not breathe at all, even from my mouth. So I was like, I felt like I was dying. I was like, why did I do this? Like, I'm regretting every decision I've ever made. Like, I didn't even need to get my nose done. Then like 30 minutes to an hour went by. I was back at like the hospital room. I started to feel a little bit better, so I got over that. I'm gonna do updates like throughout the week. I think I'm gonna get this cast off in like 10 days, and hopefully the swelling should start to go down soon. I don't really know. I hope so, because like I feel very swollen today. Yesterday I had like a cotton, I don't know what it's called, like gauze. I don't know what it's called. I just had it like taped under my nose from like my nose was bleeding. But I took it off today because it's not really bleeding that much anymore. Even though I can't breathe through my nose, it just feels a lot better without it. So I just took it off. So far, I feel like it looks cute. I mean, I'm not gonna be able to tell right now, but I feel like so far it looks like it's gonna be pretty cute. So hopefully it is. I will keep updating you guys. Sorry if you clicked on this video, this is definitely a jump scare. Like I can't even make a lot of facial expressions, so it looks a little scary. But also I have like medicine that I'm taking, and then I have like a solution that I'm spraying into my nose because, oh my god, I'm out of breath. When they put, I don't know what it is, like cotton or like gauze up in your nose, for some doctors, or I guess this is how they used to do it, you have to go to them after like a couple days or something, or a week probably, and they take it out so you can breathe. But these dissolve on their own with the solution, so over time I'll be able to breathe. And then I have like ointment for my stitches that are like right here, and then I think like antibiotics that I'm taking. So yeah, that's it so far. I will give you guys an update when there's an update, I guess. Okay, I'm a little bit more swollen now, I think. Probably like a little snack, and it's soft so I can eat, and I don't have to like really chew, because number one, my stitches, I don't want to like mess them up, and also it's kind of hard to even move my upper lip, so can't really chew like that. But that's the update. I feel like I'm a lot more swollen. Like my whole face got way more swollen than this morning. Can't wait for the swelling to go down. I can't even move my face. So yeah, okay, goodbye. Hello everyone, it's the next day. A little bit of a jump scare warning. I am more swollen today, so just prepare yourself for what you're about to see. So very swollen today. The swelling started to go down to like my cheeks. Very hard to like even move my mouth. But the bruising is like turning yellow, and this swelling is like going down my face, so I think that's good. That's a good thing. I started icing my face a little bit. I probably should have started yesterday, but it just feels so much better with like ice on my face. Even if it's not gonna do much, it just feels good. This is what I'm looking like today. Not really any pain, just extremely swollen, so that's really great. Can't even make any facial expressions. I'll probably update you guys tomorrow unless anything changes or the swelling goes down or something, but I'm just gonna keep icing my face and just relaxing for a little bit. So this is great. Yep. Hello everyone. I think it's 2 days later now. I think the last time I recorded was Saturday. Sunday I forgot to record, so it's Monday now. Yesterday I was way more swollen. This, like, I'll see if I can find a picture and like put it here or something, but my eyes were way more swollen. it was just, it's a lot better today. As you can tell, my bruises are yellow. So that means that's like the last stage of healing for a bruise, I think. A lot of the swelling has gone down to here. I think it's just gonna keep going down until it's like right here. It's still kind of hard to like smile and move my mouth. We came from the doctor and he just cleaned up a little bit over here. Sorry, if this is gross, like if this gross you out, I'm so sorry. I didn't even put a warning, but this whole video needs its own warning. He cleaned it up a little bit and he said next Monday is when I'll get my cast off, which is in a week. So I was really hoping it was like this weekend or like Friday, because I think we're going out this weekend and I'm gonna have to go out with the cast on, but I think it's gonna be fine. As long as like I don't look exactly like this and I look better, I think I'll be fine. My upper teeth are still sensitive a little bit. Oh, also now I can breathe from this side. I was starting to breathe from this side a couple days ago. Now I can breathe from this nostril, which I have never been able to in my whole life. That's the update. Until next time. Hello, it's the next day. As you can tell, I can move my mouth a lot more. Like I could almost see that row of teeth. These are still yellow. This purple is like going down a little bit. My eyes aren't as swollen. They're still like purple right here and yellow. So they're still swollen on like on the inside, but not as swollen. These are turning yellow, which I guess it's healing. It wasn't purple before, so I don't really know what this means. I can express in my face more, like have more facial expressions. Doesn't look like I got Botox anymore as much, so I think that's it for today, to be honest. See you guys when I see you guys. Hello, it's again the next day. I look basically the same, I think, but I haven't been able to sleep through the night. I've been like waking up like 5 times during the night, so not really getting any sleep. I think it's a mix of jet lag and like having to sleep on my back and just being uncomfortable. I've slept through the night maybe twice so far, and I've been here for a week. But last night I finally slept through the night and it was amazing. Oh, another little update. I can start to feel, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I have like stitches right here. I can like feel the stitches like itching me because they're getting looser, I think. Yesterday they were like just like poking me and like it was really itchy. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's the next day, guys. Pretty much the same thing, I think. The swelling has gone down a lot more. I'm very excited because I'm getting my hair washed tomorrow because I can't get this wet. So I'm just gonna get my hair like done, like washed and like blown out. This weekend I have plans with my cousin. Finally gonna go out. I'm gonna try to cover up this bruising and put on a little bit of makeup. I don't know. Very yellow, so we'll have to see. Oh, also when it comes to eating, I think the first couple days after my surgery, it was easier to eat. As I got more and more swollen, my teeth started to get more and more sensitive. So even now it's a little bit hard to eat. It's not hard to eat, but like I just have to be very careful. And also like, I don't want to chew too hard and like mess up the stitches over here. It's like, I can't even really lift this lip up that much. I'm still eating like normal things that I would, I think. Just being very careful and eating very slowly. And I'm still trying to sleep on my back for the most part. If I like turn to my side, I try to like have my arm here so I don't like hit my nose or anything. But I'm sleeping better now. I'm sleeping through the night, which is great. If you guys were wondering, this lip still feels like numb and swollen, and it feels like I got a syringe of filler, which, you know what, I'm not complaining about. But yeah, I think that's it. I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yeah. Hello, next day update. I did end up getting my hair done yesterday. I also put on a little bit of makeup on for the first time in like a week last night, which isn't really a lot, but I don't know, when you're like bruised up and swollen and just feel gross, putting on makeup and like getting your hair done makes a huge difference. This is what we are looking like today. The bruising on this eye has gone down. This is almost gone. I'm gonna attempt to, I tried to cover it up last night, but it didn't really work out. I'm gonna try again tonight. Most of the swelling has gone down over here. I still feel maybe like a little swollen, like right here, but most of the swelling has gone down. It's now Friday, by the way, so a couple more days. Hopefully I can take this off and everything is good. Knock on wood. I'll update you guys whenever I do. Hello guys, it's the next day. Kind of just same thing as yesterday, just getting less and less swollen. I'm starting to smile a little more normally. The yellowness over here is starting to go away. I keep forgetting that I don't need to like film on this side of my face because I can just film straight now that my nose is more straight. I mean, I obviously could before, but I just didn't like my front profile. So I'm just gonna have to get used to like being able to have my face like facing forward straight. This is making no sense. Anyways, that's it for right now. Hello everyone, it's Sunday. Nothing really new at this point. Basically same thing as yesterday, except one of my stitches came off by itself, which I think is what's supposed, okay, which I think is what's supposed to happen. It's still hard to breathe, like just with my nose. I have to also breathe through my mouth. Why can't I talk? I have to also breathe with my mouth, so that's the only thing. And yeah, tomorrow I'm getting my cast off in the morning. Get excited. See you in the next clip. Okay guys, got my cast off. He put on some tape so it doesn't look like 100%, but okay, here is the side view. This side, this side. I can finally take pictures like this from the front. Amazing. Obviously still swollen, especially the tips still really swollen. The swelling I think doesn't go down until like 6 months to a year for it to like look exactly like how it's supposed to look. So far, obsessed. You did amazing. Knock on wood. So next Monday in a week I'm gonna get the tapes taken off. It's like still, it's so like, it's still numb. Like when I touch my nose, it doesn't feel like I'm touching my nose. Like I don't know, it feels weird. Like I feel like I have to walk around like this. Like I need to protect her. Like she's like a little baby right now. I don't think I can get water on it, so I think I'm gonna go to the hairdressers again tomorrow so they can wash my hair, but I'm not gonna have it straightened. I'm just gonna do a curly like normal to see how different I really look, because I already look pretty different with straight hair. But even then, I feel like my new nose doesn't make me look like too different. Obviously I look different, but I look like the same girl, I think. Like you'd still be able to recognize me. First time I looked in the mirror when he took it off, he's like, okay, you can go look in the mirror, I'll be back. I looked in the mirror and it felt like a dream. Because you know in your dream, like if you have people you know in your dream, like they don't always look exactly like how they actually look like, or you don't remember. It felt like I was watching myself in a dream. Like this is dream Joya. I guess that's all I have to say right now, or else I'm just gonna be like staring at myself in my phone for like the next like 10 minutes, which is what I have been doing. I think I'll come back in a week, show you guys the finished results when I take the tape off. Okay, so I will see you guys in a week. It'll be 2 seconds for you, so see you then. Okay guys, I got the tapes off. Are you ready? Ignore the red marks. It's just from the tape. My skin got a little irritated. Okay, this is one side. This is the right side. This is the left side. The bruising is like almost gone on here, so that's amazing. I can breathe a little bit better now, which is great. It's gonna take a little bit of time to fully be good. Just so cute, and I feel like it looks so natural and it fits with my face. And I'm just obsessed. I feel like it's still not 100% completely straight. It still is a little bit going to the left, but just barely. Or maybe just this nostril is just bigger than this one. I don't know. Sorry, I'm not even looking into the actual camera because I'm just staring at myself. Still swollen right now, especially the tip right here. Oh my god, I just touched it and it feels so weird. Ugh. I still can't wear glasses for like another month and a half, 2 months. Still can't really be in the sun either, which is fine. It's literally October now. He said I don't have to sleep on my back, but obviously I still have to like be careful not to like sleep on my nose or like hit it by accident or something. So I'm probably still gonna like sleep on my back just in case. I feel like I'm gonna walk around everywhere like this now. Like please, she must be protected. Because before with the tape, I still felt like I had some kind of protection, even though it's just literally tape. Because there was something covering, because there's something covering my nose, it just felt like it was still a little protected. And now she's exposed. But yeah, that's basically it. I guess that's the end of this video. Thank you guys for coming with me on this journey. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.